Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back, and this is a top 5 apps for Android, October 2015, so let's get into it. Now the first app up is actually a bonus app, so this isn't included in the top 5, but this is basically a top 6, and it's the bonus one. It's called Watch Out, and this is a really simple app, but it's really good. It allows you to actually display the time when you're in like a full screen application, so if you're in a game or something, then you can see the time. Now it has tons of functionality. As you can see, there's the time there, and you can move it around wherever you want. You can change the size of it, the color, the font. You can do some really cool fonts, which is epic. And you can also set alarms as well. So maybe if you're playing a game and you don't really want to spend your life playing it, you only want to play it for like 10 minutes or 20 minutes or, you know, whatever, even 5 minutes, you can just set a timer and it will ring you to let you know that you've been playing for like 5 minutes. And this is a really good way if you want to try and cut out your game time and try and get back into the world. Maybe catch up on some studying, you can set an alarm here. But there is some cool fonts. You can set bold, which is nice, and I just changed the color to red, so that's also really nice. Now you can choose whether you have seconds or minutes, and minutes, but you probably don't want to have seconds, to be honest. It doesn't really make much difference to me. If you're a few seconds over like your 5-minute thing, I don't think it's a big deal. Now here we can set our timer, we can set our hours and our minutes. So if I just set it 2 hours, 1 minute for example, I wouldn't be playing normally this long. I don't really play games myself, but as you can see there is a timer there and it's counting down. So for the timer I'd probably have the seconds on. So overall, I'd give this app a 10 out of 10. I think it's great. There's no problems with it. It's just completely bug-free. There's no ads. It's free in the Google Play. I'll have a link down below, as well as a little comment from the creator of the app. Okay, so the first app of the top 5 is Impaired. Now this is a really cool app that allows you to monitor the input from a power supply, so it could be a battery pack, or it could be actually from the mains, and this will tell you how much milliamp hours is charging your battery up by, and also it will tell you the heat of your phone's battery and the condition of it. So I'm just going to test it here on this easy access battery pack. It will just come up measuring, and it will tell me all the information about it. It will tell me the input voltage, so there is 4.297 volts as input, and it will tell me also the temperature of my battery is 23.8 degrees Celsius. It will tell me it's a Lion or a Lion battery, depending how you say it, and also that it will tell me the milliamp hours that's going into the battery. So it starts off slow for some reason, but it does go up. As you can see, it says minimum 10 milliamp hours and maximum 240, so it's going up to the maximum. It's going higher and higher, so that'll obviously mean more charges going into the phone. Okay guys, the second app up is Gravity Screen. Now this is a bit of a weird name, but basically it allows you to turn on and off your screen without touching the power button. So you can set all the angles and things of when you put your phone down and in your pocket to make it, you know, turn on whenever you want it, and so it doesn't turn on when you don't want it to turn on. In your pocket, if you're sitting down or something, you don't want your phone to turn on. So you can obviously customize and tweak all the settings in here to make sure that that doesn't happen. Now this is a really nice idea, and it does work pretty good. I've been using it for a while. There is a pro version, but I'm just using the free one. And as you can see here, when I pick up the phone, it turns on the screen, and I can use it, and if I'm done with it, then I can just simply put the phone back down, and then it'll go off. So even if you have your timer set to so the screen won't turn off, it will still turn off using this app. Okay, the next one up is AmpMe, and don't get confused with this and Impaired. This one is completely different. I talked about this in my iOS top apps, and it's also one of my Android top apps. So it allows you to connect together a bunch of different phones to create a big speaker using all the speakers in each device. So you kind of get a surround sound effect here, or a stereo effect, depending on how many phones you have connected. But all you need to do is you need to host a party, select a song, and it will pop up with a code which you can enter on the other device to connect to it. So then it will sync up the audio so that you don't have to try and sync it up yourself, which is a great idea. And if you pause the song, it will actually send the signal. So it will take a few seconds, and then it will pause all the devices at the same time. So you have no problem with it losing the sync. It will always be in sync together. So it's a really fun app to have, and it's great if your friends have it as well. It works across platforms, so any phone will work, and it's just great overall if you want to listen to music and you don't have a speaker with you. Then I definitely recommend it. It's a great app. Okay guys, so Javelin is up next, and this is a really neat app. I love this one. This is a browser, but it's a really nice browser. It's really simplistic, and it's snappy, really fast, and also it isn't that much storage-wise, so you won't fill up your phone by using this browser. It won't take many cache files or anything like that, but it is snappy, really quick, as you can see here. When you're scrolling, it's really smooth and fluid, really buttery smooth here. And overall, I just love it. It's a great browser, and it's really fun to use. It just looks good, and it's really nice. Now, you do get some functionality. You get your tab section on the right, and on the left, you get some customization options to actually host a VPN server, and also you can customize tons of the settings in there, and buy the Pro version as well. Now, you can share things at web pages really easily. You don't have to go into menus or anything like that. It's really simple. And on the side here, if I can open it, we actually get a tab section, and this will contain all the tabs that we have open, and it's really quick to slide between them all, which I really like. I don't really open many tabs in other web browsers, but with this one, it's just really great. It's a really fun experience. But I'm gonna go on Amazon really quick again, and I'm gonna show you changing between tabs, and I'll go back to the CNN, and I'll go to Google. As you can see, it's really fluid, and I do like this app for that reason. Now, Amazon has this scroll thing, so that's why it was a little bit tricky to activate, but you do get your history, your bookmarks, and all the stuff like that. You get a little bit of information to add to your history as well, so watch out guys if you're looking up some bad stuff. But you can also enable a VPN server, like I said before. You can make this your default browser, and you can also view desktop web pages, which is pretty neat. You can also search for words on a page, so if you're looking for a specific word in like a document you got sent, then you can look up that as well. And overall, it's a really nice app. It's free, there's no ads, and it's in the Google Play Store. Okay guys, this is SlideJoy. Now this is a strange named app, but it's a really good one. So for example, if you're on your lock screen a lot, or you're obviously going to unlock your device, there'll be an ad there using this app. And you may be thinking, wait, what? Why would we want ads? But you do get paid for them, obviously. It's similar to the new Windows-style tablets, how they present you with ads on the lock screen and the home screen as wallpapers, and Amazon get money for that, and in a sense, that's how they're able to sell you such a cheap device. But with this, you actually get the money yourself. If you simply set up your account with a PayPal email, then you will get money paid through to PayPal. So every 100 points you get $1, and you can redeem that through PayPal. Now so far, I've not had this app that long. I've literally just downloaded it this morning. I only just found it this morning, and I've already got about 20 points. And to be honest, I don't unlock my phone that much. I haven't been using it too much today, and yeah, I can see me using this a lot because I don't really need to do anything. I just need to unlock my phone, and I'm getting money for it. So if you're looking to get money for unlocking your phone and for doing nothing, then this is really the only app that you can get that'll do that. So it's definitely a recommendation from me. I'd definitely get that app. But anyway guys, that is it. My top 5 apps plus my bonus app. All the links will be down below. I hope you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks guys.